you saw there on the video, I'm also having problems with my Energizer Recharging Pro, so it's beeping 3 times and I keep getting the red light on. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but a lot of times I get that error. Okay, the good news, it's probably still working. I've had mine so long and I love it so much you can actually hear it clinking, right? So there's probably 3 issues it could be, one of 3 issues rather, and what we're going to do is troubleshoot real quickly what to do. It's possible that your batteries are just so drained that your recharging does not have the capability to recharge them in all 4 slots, or maybe even 3 or 2. So if that's the case, what you want to do is try just doing 2. That way it'll be less strain on your recharger, and then see if it works. Okay, if it does, recharge those. Then after like 20 minutes, you can add the other 2, or then just do the other 2 in another second. So that's an issue if you drain all 4 of them way too much. It's just too much pressure on it. Okay, second issue, a battery may be bad. Okay, it's super easy to troubleshoot which one is the bad battery. What you do is try one at a time. And if it keeps charging, it turns green here, then you know you're good. Until you get that one, all of a sudden you get a red light. It's like, okay, this is my troublemaker. Then set the troublemaker to the side, and then just do the 3 and see if it charges the 3. Then you know you just got a bad battery. Things do wear out. Okay, last but not least, it could actually be one of these little metal, the charging actual conductors here on one of the slots. So what you can do is you can try one battery and go to each individual slot. If it works here, you know you're good. Good, good. Then all of a sudden, if you go to this 3rd bay and it keeps doing it, it may be this bay that's broken. Good news is that you could just still use the other 3 bays. All right. Thanks for watching.